The first time I was shelled by enemy artillery, I learned a vital lesson that applies to your success in copywriting. I was lying in a slit trench on Mount Wall. It's about 35 kilometers west of the town of Stanley in the Falkland Islands. The year was 1982 and it was the Falklands War. The Argentinian enemy were lobbing 105mm pack howitzer shells around my position. They were trying to dislodge my section of Royal Marines Commandos. But their fire was ineffective. You see, the soil in the Falkland Islands consists largely of peat, and the soil is so dense and so wet and so soft underfoot that it meant that the enemy's artillery shells penetrated the soil before they detonated, and most of their force and shrapnel went upwards rather than horizontally. When you want to leave a lasting impression on your target audience, you must use the right ammunition. If the Argentines had used the right kind of artillery shells that day, the kind that explode above the ground rather than in it, I would not be standing here today. So here's the principle applied in practice in the battle for the mind of your target audience. You must start your copy in such a way that you compel your prospects to read right on until the end and take action. Your opening sentence is the most vital sentence in your copy after your headline. And the goal of your headline is to stop your readers and to compel them to continue reading. And the goal of the first line in your body copy is to keep your readers hooked. If you use the wrong ammunition here, your copy will misfire. Here are some ideas on how to start your copy well. Start with a gripping story. Ask a provocative question. State a seeming contradiction or paradox. Open with a scintillating and relevant quote. Crack a joke. Start with the word you. The number one rule for all opening lines is to fire your largest cannon first. Grab your prospect's attention so that they simply have to read on.